Hi, Shirley from Shirley Fiona Patterns here, and I'm going to show you how to make this lovely swatch in knit and purl stitches today. It looks like a twist. I don't know if you can see it well on that. There's a thumbnail. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks quite nice. The thumbnail, you can see on the thumbnail at the beginning the photograph of it, which looks really nice as well, in lines. Anyway, on the back, I mean, the back's not too bad either. Sometimes the back you just got, yeah, it's a back, but that could work as reversible, because that's actually quite nice as well. Not quite the same, but it's quite nice. Right, okay, let's get started. It is a multiple of 6 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. So on here I've got 26 stitches. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and 2 edge stitches. Okay, and your first row is knit your first edge stitch through the back as per, whoops, getting sure of myself there, as per normal. And the repeat is purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's purl 2, edge stitch, purl 2, knit 4. That's it, simple as that. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, purl 2, knit 4, 1, 2, sort that one, 3, 4. Yarn to the front, slip your edge stitch. This ends up making a nice edging stitch up at the side, so it does. So row 2 is knit into the back of your first stitch, whoops, and then it's the opposite. It's purl 4, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2. I forgot to say it's a 12 row repeat, forgot that. Edge stitch, purl 4, knit 2. Okay, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4, knit 2, 1, 2. Again, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn to the front, slip your edge stitch just at the ends. Okay, so row 3 is same as row 1. Knit into the back of your first stitch, and it's purl 2, 1, purl 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn to the front, slip your edge stitch. There we go. Oops, that was row 3. Row 4, knit into the back of your first stitch, and it's purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2. That's the repeat. Purl 4, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2. I double knitted that one. Again, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2. Yarn to the front, slip your last stitch. Okay, now things are going to change slightly on row 5. That's the first 4 rows. That's the back, that must be the front. Oh, I'm not sure. We'll see. Things will add up very shortly, I'm sure. Knit into the back of your first stitch, and then it's knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. That's your 6 stitch repeat. Edge stitch, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Okay, so it's knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Okay, once more. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Yarn to the front, slip your edge stitch. There we go. So that was row 5. Row 6 is knit into the back of your first stitch, and then it's purl 2, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2. That's your 6 stitches. Edge stitch, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. So start that again. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, start that again. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Okay, slip your last stitch. That's you halfway there. I know it doesn't look like it, but it definitely is it. Row 7. Knit into the back of your first stitch, and then you repeat. Knit 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2. That's your repeat. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Okay, oops, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Okay, again, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Slip your last stitch. Okay, that was row 7. Now row 8 is knit into the back of your first stitch. Okay, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2. That's your 6 stitches. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Okay, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Whoops, didn't purl that one. Purl 2. Okay, start again. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, slip your last stitch. Okay, so oh yes, that's definitely the front. I think it looks lovely. It looks like a twist stitch. Right, row 9. Knit into the back of your first stitch, and then it's knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2. So that's your 6 stitches. Knit 4, purl 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2. Oh, leave that there. Slip your last stitch. Okay, so row 10 is knit into the back of your first stitch, and it is knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your repeat. Knit 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again repeat. Knit 2, oops, purl 4, 1, oops, 2, 3, 4. Slip your last stitch. Okay, that's row 10. Now we're doing row 11. Oh, I'll wrap this around my fingers. Okay, knit into the back of your first stitch, and it's knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2. That's your repeat. Knit 4, purl 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2. Slip your last stitch. Okay, this is row 12, last row, and then we'll have a good look. Knit into the back of your first stitch, knit 2, purl 4, 1, 2, purl 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your repeat. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip your last stitch. Very easy. And there's it there. I mean, it's really looking nice there. Let's get the bigger one in. Let's take the bigger one in, because I think it looks in a larger scale. It'll always look better. Don't know why. Well, because it does, as you can see from there, and then it looks like lines and just plain and purl stitches. There's quite a lot of patterns out there for people who are beginners or who just don't like getting too intricate, and they turn out really super, I think. Really super. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you would, if you want to. You don't have to. And happy knitting. See you in the next video.